Berta Jay, and you're back in my kitchen with me today. And Berta has kind of a heavy heart because I first want to thank you for all the things that you guys have done. We have gone from no views and no subscribers to over 27,000 because of you. And I want to thank you for that. I want to thank you for how you've helped me to grow, to become a better person. Because even when I'm down, I come to my channel to look at comments from you, where you have encouraged me and shared with me things from your heart to give me a smile. And I so appreciate that. You guys are the best. You're the best of the best, in my opinion, here on YouTube. And really, I kind of think everywhere. It just seems that God has pulled all of the greatest and the most genuine and kind people to me. And that's why it's with such a heavy heart that I have to share that this is the last video, the very last video that Evan and I will make. In 2020 and 2021, we're going to be doing all kinds of stuff. Did I fool you? Did I trick you? I love you guys, and I love my channel, and we love it, and we love doing the work for you. And I don't throw love around just easily. That means really deeply enjoy. We have such a good time doing things for you because I learn when I teach you. So 2021, look forward to it because it will be filled with all kinds of interesting facts, interesting recipes, good recipes, quick recipes, new ideas, things that will help you, things that I will be doing so that you can do them too. I'm looking forward to 2021 and leaving this video and all the rest of the old videos in 2020 behind us, okay? We're gonna look forward to the new year. And I wanna also encourage you that you don't have to wait until 2021, 12 midnight to make a resolution. I'm encouraging you to make those resolutions right now. And don't make it a resolution. Make it something that you really, really gut deep want to do. And then proceed to do it, a tiny step at a time. And you will see that if you will keep your mind on that thing and on the one who helps you, who for me is God, that if you will be able to break all kinds of records, do all kinds of things. But you got to be purposed. And you've got to be focused, and you've got to stay there and never give up. Never, never, ever give up, because impossible things are possible when you set your mind to it and you have God on your side. And that's where I wanted to leave 2020 and move into 2021 with the troupe of Berta Jay. And so, as we move forward and upward to bigger and better things, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click on the bell so that, I hear you saying it with me, every time Evan uploads a new video, you will get the notification. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And don't forget that you can get 20% off up until the end of January at Wild Groves. If you use that code that I gave you, BertaJ20, you'll get 20% off of your whole order. And then don't forget to check out our Amazon store, giving me comments and ideas and suggestions. I've already gotten some from you guys, and I put those things in the store for things that you would like to see so that it's easier for you to do your cooking in every way. And maybe it's something else that you might want in there. We'll do that for you as well. We will be taking a short break, and we will be back on January 12th. That'll be the first video of 2021. So look forward to that. And I think that's it. I just wanted to say goodbye for now. And so until next time, I'll see you.